How to install Google Play Games Beta on Windows. To install Google Play Games Beta on Windows, you need to have a PC that meets the minimum requirements and a Google account. You can follow these steps to install the app. On your Windows computer, go to the Google Play Games Beta website and click on Download Beta. To install the app, open the downloaded file and follow the instructions. The installation can take a few minutes. To play mobile games on your PC, Windows virtualization settings must be turned on. If Windows Hypervisor platform is turned off, you will be prompted to turn it on during installation. Restart your computer for the setting to take effect. To play across devices, be sure to sign in with the same account on your mobile device and your PC. You can find more information and support on the Google Play Help Center or the Google Play Help community. Now check out 1. Google Play Games. Play Android games on PC. https://play.google.com/googleplaygames. 2. Install and set up Google Play Games Beta on your PC. https://support.google.com/googleplay/answer/113588888 ? HL =sign in.